All right, going to be taking a look at stock ticker symbol CNBX. This stock was requested over here on YouTube, so I figured, as always, let's get on it and take a look at what is going on. So, like I said, the 21st was going to be the last time at 80 cents. On watch, if buying continues on Monday, it goes on alert. So let's take a look at when I said that. All right, so you were 4 days behind, and for everybody that watches these, you guys, if it doesn't happen the next day, it's usually right after that. You know what I mean? It's usually within a few days. It does continue to take shape, and it does its thing. So look at that. 21st, 80, 50 on watch. If buying continues, it goes on alert. And that's exactly what you guys got right there. Boom, took off. Up to $2.98. You're probably like, what is going on now? Well, you're going to start pulling back. You guys had that gap up. You guys had it here, but it kept running. You know, really, you guys had it here and it kept going. It went against my rules multiple times. So you will see that right here firsthand. It did do it. Now you guys are outside the Bollinger Band. This is one of those things. Look at this. When you have the 3 days, 4 days continuously climbing and then 1 day down, that right here is going to be your first sign of the buying starting to weaken. That pressure, that buying starts weakening up right there. And then it starts pulling back. And that's what you're seeing happen right now. So you guys are starting to pull back. The RSI is currently at 87, 88. I think that you're going to close red today. I personally believe that's going to probably end up closing around 260, maybe 270. Definitely keep me updated if that pulls back that low. If not, I think that's going to pull back for a few days. I think that how this is going to play out is the 10-day simple moving average is going to come up right around this point and go sideways with everything else, and it will bounce off around this area. I don't think that it's all over. I also just think that it's going to be a natural pullback down to the 10-day. Don't forget that just as of the 13th, this was trading at $1.22 a share and has exploded since. I'm going to put this one on a hold for now and let it pull back for a few days.
So when did it really start taking off? Their last press release was on February 6th. It was Cannabics
right there, Joe.
Pharmaceuticals Incorporated. Yeah?
Yep.
All right. So on February 6th, they announced that it will begin providing personalized cannabinoid anti-tumor tests for cancer patients. The diagnostic tests are based on liquid biopsies of patients suffering from any kind of cancer. The test uses CTC technology that collects cancer cells from patient blood samples and tests their sensitivity to cannabinoid compound alongside conventional chemotherapy medicine. The results enable doctors to make better informed decisions by providing personalized patient data as supporting evidence to available medical treatments. So that is that. So the chief scientist of Cannabis Pharmaceuticals said, our vision is to embrace the natural medicine properties of cannabis, utilizing the diversity of active compounds to fight cancer in its manifestation in each individual patient. So a little about Cannabis Pharmaceuticals Incorporated. They're a U.S.-based public company. They're dedicated to the development of personalized anti-cancer and palliative treatments. The company's research and development is based in Israel, where it is licensed by the Ministry of Health for its work in both scientific and clinical research. The company's focus is on harnessing the therapeutic properties of natural cannabinoid formulations in diagnostics. Cannabics engages its development individually tailored natural therapies of cancer patients utilizing advanced screening systems and personalized bioinformatics tools. So, I mean, that's pretty much about them. They're a QB as well. So they obviously have a lot going on. I mean, if you go back on a bunch of the different press releases, there are a lot of different things going on with them. So I'm guessing this is something we'll be discussing, as time goes on. But as always, if you want to learn more about the company, you just go over to the Investors Hangout and then click in the ticker symbol CNBX, CNBX. And right there, you'd be able to find basically everything that you're looking for in regards to the company, with the company profile, time and sales, recent news, filings, financials, buy rating. And as always, if you have an opinion, feel free to share with the tens of thousands of other like-minded investors like yourself that are using the Investors Hangout message boards for these 40,000 plus, stock tickers that we have over here, and the actual company user boards, you name it. A lot of people, a lot of different people sharing their opinions. It's always a great thing. That's pretty much it, Dave.
All right, so like I said with the chart, I said hold's starting to pull back now. Now after this big move, might pull back to 225 area before it bounced. Now that might sound, pretty crazy because it's way out there, but guys, this could either start today. I think that it could end up starting today, if not tomorrow. I would just play it safe. CNBX, like I said, if you follow the stock, make sure you click subscribe right now to stay updated with the hottest stocks in the market. And as always, if you have a hot stock that you would like to tell us about, head over to investorshangout.com/live. Let us know there. But be sure to take your hot stock and add it to the list.